What are objects like stars, planets, the moon, asteroids, and comets in the sky known as? A. Celestial objects. B. Terrestrial objects. C. Atmospheric objects. D. Subterranean objects. The correct answer is A. Celestial objects. Besides matter, what other fundamental component is stated to constitute the universe? A. Energy. B. Satellites. C. Only galaxies. D. Only planets. The correct answer is A. Energy. What is a key property of alcohol that makes it suitable for measuring very low temperatures? A. It has a low freezing point. B. It has a high boiling point. C. It is a good conductor of heat. D. It is non-toxic. The correct answer is A. It has a low freezing point. Which glands lie beneath the tongue? A. Gastric glands. B. Parotid glands. C. Submaxillary glands. D. Sublingual glands. The correct answer is D. Sublingual glands. What describes a chemical change where heat is evolved? A. Exothermic reaction. B. Displacement reaction. C. Precipitation reaction. D. Endothermic reaction. The correct answer is A. Exothermic reaction. Which of the following is a remedial measure for the prevention of heart disease? A. Leading a sedentary lifestyle. B. Consuming a diet high in saturated fats. C. Regular physical activity. D. Ignoring high blood pressure. The correct answer is C. Regular physical activity. What is the state of an object whose position does not change? A. Accelerating. B. Displaced. C. At rest. D. In motion. The correct answer is C. At rest. Which structure is labeled as the micropyle in figure 17.10, the structure of an ovule? A. The outermost layer. B. The opening through which pollen tube enters. C. The attachment point to the funicle. D. The central part of the ovule. The correct answer is B. The opening through which pollen tube enters. What kind of recognition has Blue Cross of India received? A. Academic scholarships. B. International and national awards. C. Local business awards. D. Sports championships. The correct answer is B. International and national awards. Is everything in the universe in motion? A. Yes, but only if an observer is present. B. No, only celestial bodies are in motion. C. No, only objects on Earth are in motion. D. Yes, everything in the universe is in motion. The correct answer is D. Yes, everything in the universe is in motion. Which satellite was successfully launched using India's first satellite launch vehicle SLV-3? A. Trishul. B. Rohini-1. C. Smiling Buddha. D. Nandi. The correct answer is B. Rohini-1. Where is the tricuspid valve located? A. In the papillary muscles. B. Between the left auricle and left ventricle. C. Between the right auricle and right ventricle. D. Originating from the aortic arch. The correct answer is C. Between the right auricle and right ventricle. What type of gas do some microorganisms release when decomposing sewage sludge? A. Hydrogen sulfide. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Methane. D. Nitrogen. The correct answer is C. Methane. Which of the following is a barrier method of contraception? A. Hormonal IUD. B. Follicular phase control. C. Fertilization barrier. D. Surgical implantation. The correct answer is C. Fertilization barrier. Which of the following is likely attracted to a magnet based on the text examples? A. Iron nail. B. Rubber tube. C. Electric bulb. D. Escalator. The correct answer is A. Iron nail. Heat transfer by convection primarily occurs in A. Only at very low temperatures. B. Solids only. C. Liquids and gases. D. Vacuum only. The correct answer is C. Liquids and gases. What scientific process leads to the discovery of new materials? A. Physical transformations. B. Observing state changes. C. Studying chemical changes. D. Evaporation processes. The correct answer is C. Studying chemical changes. Which subatomic particles are indicated by the atomic number Z as having a negative charge? A. Electrons. B. Nucleons. C. Neutrons. D. Protons. The correct answer is A. Electrons. The text mentions the movement of materials in and out of which cellular structure? A. Vacuole. B. Cytoplasm. C. Nucleus. D. Cell membrane. The correct answer is C. Nucleus. Charles Babbage was a professor in which subject? A. Computer science. B. Mathematics. C. Physics. D. Chemistry. The correct answer is B. Mathematics. Where is the normal line drawn in relation to the point of incidence? A. At an acute angle to the reflecting surface. B. Perpendicular to the reflecting surface. C. At an obtuse angle to the reflecting surface. D. Parallel to the reflecting surface. The correct answer is B. Perpendicular to the reflecting surface. If a solution is made with 100 g in total and has 5 g of sugar, how much water is present? A. 95 g. B. 5 g. C. 100 g. D. 105 g. The correct answer is A. 95 g. Which of the following is an example of a protected area for wildlife conservation? A. Urban parks. B. National parks. C. Industrial zones. D. Agricultural fields. The correct answer is B. National parks. What feature is present in the body of plants and animals that allows them to survive in their habitat? A. Gills. B. Larval stage. C. Adaptations. D. Bucco. The correct answer is C. Adaptations. What structure forms from a ruptured follicle during ovulation and produces progesterone? A. Corpus luteum. B. Fallopian tube. C. Graafian follicles. D. Ovary wall. The correct answer is A. Corpus luteum. If a source of sound moves away from a stationary observer, how does the apparent frequency compare to the original frequency? A. It is higher. B. It is sometimes higher, sometimes lower. C. It is lower. D. It is the same. The correct answer is C. It is lower. Which of the following is a unit for potential difference? A. Ampere. B. Volt. C. Ohm. D. Watt. The correct answer is B. Volt. To which family do tigers and cats belong? A. Canidae. B. Hominidae. C. Primates. D. Felidae. The correct answer is D. Felidae. What is the primary way the Amazon forest helps to stabilize Earth's climate and slow global warming? A. By increasing CO2 levels. B. By fixing CO2 and producing oxygen. C. By destroying indigenous livelihoods. D. By expanding urban areas. The correct answer is B. By fixing CO2 and producing oxygen. Based on the experiment described, what happens to the substance in the air that supports burning? A. It is converted into water. B. It is converted into another substance. C. It is absorbed by the bell jar. D. It is consumed by the candle. The correct answer is B. It is converted into another substance. How did you score?